Hello everybody, this is Bill with the Cajun Homestead, also known as the Cajun Homesteader. This is a quick video on our place here. I call it the homestead because originally it was my great-grandfather's homestead, and my grandmother actually moved here when she was 5 years old. So it's been in the family for a long time. It's been through the years, it's been in quite a bit different conditions at different times. Right now it's in pretty bad shape. The home we live in here was built in 1931. It was moved here in the 70s. My grandparents moved it here. We're still in the middle of remodeling it. I moved here about 2 years ago, and my wife and daughter moved here about a year ago. I had to get the house in livable condition. I rewired it, replumbed it, and did a lot of work on the rooms. Actually, I sheetrocked a number of the rooms. So, and we're still not through. Got a lot of work still going on in it, and so, but I'm doing a lot of work on the place too. Doing a lot of cleanup. Like I said before, the place is in pretty bad shape. Quick note on me. Originally was born and raised in the country. Spent a lot of time here. So they actually used to have a lot of farm animals. We did a lot of had a number of hay fields here. Of course, most of them are gone now. That's one of the things I'm trying to do is I have one field that I'm cleaning up. Hope to put it back under hay. I have 0 animals here. We have one dog, and that's the only animals we have. It's all we need right now. If you can't detain your animals, you really shouldn't have any. If you don't have good fences is a must if you're going to own animals. Even a dog. If you have a dog, you need to keep him behind a fence. That's my opinion. Living out here in the deep woods like we do actually have coyotes up here, and quite a few. And also the big cats migrate through here occasionally. Every once in a while. We have had them, and so I do know they're here. So, but it's just a quick video. I wanted to get this posted. Today is December 31st. 2018. Probably not gonna make it today. I'm gonna try my best to get this posted tomorrow, January the 1st, 2019. Start the year off good. So if you have any questions, I'm gonna probably do another video probably this coming week, kind of give you more information about me, what my goals are, what most of my videos are gonna be about. So, but I do have about 6 years worth of videos about. I started that long ago cleaning the place up, probably longer than that. But I've really been videoing pretty intensely the last 6 years. So I've got quite a bit of old video on my post because the place doesn't look like it does. It doesn't look like it did back then. I've cleaned up quite a bit of the debris, which of course I brought a lot of it here. So I'm a kind of a collector. And in my future videos, you'll see what I mean by that. So anyway, just a quick video. I got a lot of stuff to do to get done before today is over with. So I will try to get this posted tomorrow. But other than that, y'all be sure and subscribe if you'd like to. I'd appreciate it. Post your question down below. Or you could email me at thecajunhomesteader@gmail.com. Don't forget to click the like button if you could, and also hit the bell. And when I post my next video, you will get a notification. So I appreciate it. Y'all be safe. Talk to you later. Thanks.